So the intentional design of the environment is really important because it can create better opportunities for inclusion and increase collaboration among participants. So I invite you that when you think about your environment that you'd like to set a space for your participants, what kind of feeling and experience would you like them to go through? And there are 3 different kinds of environments that you might consider: physical, virtual, and hybrid. So for the first one, here are some things to consider if you're going to have a meeting in a physical space. There are places that are more conducive to collaboration than others. And what we would recommend is, if it's possible, to choose a venue that has an open floor plan, open setting. This allows a free form of access to different rooms among participants. And if it could have modular furniture that allows you to shape shift the environment to the needs of the group, that's even better.